So hello guys, welcome to our channel, and we know that CodeChef cookoff challenge is already over. Okay, so in this video we'll be seeing code for the first four problems. The first question was peaceful party. Okay, and it was a interesting question. It was an easy question where the mayor wants to give party. Okay, these are the sample cases, and its code is like it was pretty easy. Okay, you just have to output a maximum of PA, PC, and PB, like PA plus PC. Okay, so the second question was lazy salesman, where we have to calculate we were required to output something around holidays. Okay, so I hope you have read the question. So in this way we can do this question. Okay guys, like it is just for your this video is just if you want to see code as soon as possible. Okay, well, if you have tried, so don't worry, I will be releasing explanatory video also very soon, probably by tomorrow. So third question was prefix permutation. It was a seriously interesting problem. Okay, it took a lot of time, yeah, but ultimately it got correct after the contest. Okay, so prefix permutation, it's like here we have to sort something, okay, and then we have to do some manipulations. So I hope you can see the code. Okay guys, don't worry if you are not getting anything from this code, like if you are not understanding, don't worry, very soon I will be releasing explanatory video also. Okay, so the fourth question is perfect permutation. It was light easy as compared to third question. Okay, I took comparatively less time in solving this question and up solving it basically. So like here is its coding part. Like I have tried to do this question by making cases. There can be better solution. Okay, but I have done in this way. So I hope guys, like you have found this video useful. If so, then please do like, share, subscribe our channel. And if you want explanatory video, okay, try to comment it. Okay, I will shortly release video very soon if somebody needs it urgently. Okay, so well guys, thank you very much for this video. Do like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.